What's going on, guys? Today I got another video for you guys. Today what we're doing on this semi truck, we're going to be changing the brake chamber. This brake chamber is leaking, so yesterday I had to use the vice grips so I can bring the truck home. So today we're going to be changing it today. If you look over the internet, I mean, it's so easy. Everybody that does it. So I mean, if you come across this video, just watch it, like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're owner operator, you should be able to do some things on your truck. Although probably it's going to cost me about 50 bucks to, if I take it to the shop, 1,500 bucks to do it, but it's something I can do by myself. So basically I'm taking the line, this line that goes into the brake chamber, I'm taking that one out. And after I take this one out, I'll go to the other one. I'll take this out, so because I don't want this hose to twist. I don't want to twist it, you know. So I'll take that out. I'll take that the bottom one out over there, so that I'll be able to take the second one out all as well. Just follow me, guys. It's easy, guys. Follow me. Hello, guys. It's so easy. So it's written on it. There's what they call spring brake and service brake all as well. So it's gonna be self-explanatory. This line that get connected to one of the line right here, that's the spring brake. Why the one that come, the long wire, the long hose, that is the spring brake. So it's so easy to, I mean, you can't mix it up. See, I've taken that one up. So now the main thing is to take the spring over here where the chamber has been connected, to take that one out, and I'll be able to, I mean, use my bolts, use my wrench to be able to bring the chamber out, guys. Just follow me. It's easy, super easy. So guys, I've taken all the pin that hold the chamber to that. I've taken everything out. So the main thing is just to be able to lose the brake chamber out, and that'll be all. See, I'm almost done. So probably give or take 2 hours, you should be done with it. Just follow me, guys. So guys, the old one is out, the new one is here. So what you're gonna be worried about is just the measurement of this and this. So that's the main thing you're gonna be worried about. And after that, when you change this brake chamber, you should remember that your brake, you're still gonna have to adjust it back, you know, right? So it's easy. It's about 2 hours. You can do it yourself. If you're an owner operator, you should be able to do some things like this by yourself. Just follow me, guys. It's easy, guys. So guys, if I want to cut this, I'll still make sure it's longer than this, because when I get there, I'll be able to make some. I don't want to cut it too short right now, so I'll just make sure it's a bit longer, so when I get there, when I try to put everything together, I'll be able to adjust what I need to adjust. See, I'll be using the same thing, but if you can see, this one is kind of longer. It's longer than it, you see? But I'm still gonna cut this longer, so when I get in there, I'll be able to adjust, you know, what I need to adjust. So just follow me, guys. Guys, the new brake chamber is in there. That's the old one right there. You see? So I set the brake and I adjust my brake all as well. Once you do it, you have to adjust your brake, you know. So everything is done. I saved myself a couple of dollars. So alright, guys, kind of like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.